Do you have the hotel voucher for Rome?
Nope, don't need it.
Are you sure?
Absolutely.
Alright. Did you at least pack your stuff for tomorrow?
Not yet. We are flying at noon, so plenty of time in the morning.
Oh, come on, I hate rushing last minute.
Relax, I've got this.
But what about the voucher? Are you really sure we don't need it?
Let's go, we are seriously late. Come on, I told you to pack last night. If you wouldn't move like a snail, we would already be at the airport. You slept in and now we are rushing to the airport. Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I want to talk about a problem that a lot of people, especially creators, have. The thing, what story or content can I create for my social media channels? To be honest, I often have the same problem. I sit there, try to get an idea of a story, but nothing happens. But it actually can be pretty easy. You can literally take any topic to build a story around it, if you know how to shape it. Right now I'm in Rome and it's pretty hot here. We have 35 degrees Celsius right now, and that's why I've been to that place here to get a little bit of shadow because I'm sweating all the time. I'm here to create footage for my social media channels, and I want to combine it with this new YouTube video to tell you which content you can create and which story you can tell. Most people do storytelling without even realizing it. They talk about something that just happened to them. A situation at work, a trip they took, any awkward or funny that happened to them last weekend. The birds are crazy here. And boom, without thinking about a structure, they told a story. That's what I find so interesting. You don't even have to study storytelling structures or something like that. Most good stories happen right away and you just have to tell it. Just think about the biggest podcasts out there. They are just people talking about their lives and the situations that happen to them. Random conversations and daily stuff. They are just telling and reaching out to people. And they have millions of listeners. That's crazy. Same thing on TikTok. People just filming themselves, saying whatever that comes to their mind. Or doing something completely meaningless. But it feels authentic. And that's why people watch. So here's the thing. You can literally turn anything into a story. The key is not what the topic is. It is how you talk about it. And that it feels real. That's also what I personally care about most. Telling my own story. I'm not here to talk about what other people did. That's easy. But it often doesn't connect. Because it's just not your story. What connects is if you share something personal. Even if it's small. Because that's where people feel like, yeah, I've been there too. And just imagine, people hear your story for the first time. They don't know how it ends. They have never lived it. And they are curious. And that's why they are engaged and connected. Most stories happen naturally. We tell them without thinking about a structure or a strategy, just like we would tell a friend what happened last weekend. And that works most of the time. But when it comes to creating content for social media or YouTube, having a clear structure or script can make all the difference. It helps you to focus, tell your story more clearly and stay consistent. Especially when you're working on multiple videos at once. That's why I use Notion. It's the one place where I collect all my ideas, develop concepts, write scripts and plan my content calendar. It helps me turn random thoughts into real stories and stay organized without killing creativity. Notion gives me the freedom to plan my projects exactly the way that works best for me. I can organize and structure my ideas in a way that actually makes sense for how I think. I have a dedicated idea space where I quickly write down concepts or thoughts, whether I'm at home on my Mac or on the go using my phone. And that's a huge benefit for me, because no idea gets lost and everything stays in one place, fully synced across all my devices. My video projects are organized in a separate area using a custom database table. Every video I create, whether it's for Instagram, YouTube or a client, is stored here. And I can customize the columns however I want. Add tags, statuses, platforms where I shared the content, whatever I need to stay on top of everything. Each video entry also uses a custom template that I built for my workflow. That way every project follows the same structure and I make sure nothing important gets missed. I include things like video number, niche, publish date, a shot list, film schedule, script section and even an editing checklist, all in one place. If you want to see a more detailed breakdown of how I organize my Notion workspace for video production, just let me know in the comments. I would be happy to make a full video on that. I hope I was able to inspire you a little bit with this video, and from my point of view, Notion is a very good tool to structure your video projects. But if you want to use another one, just feel free. Anyway, if you like this video, I would be very happy if you leave a like and subscribe to my channel to don't miss out any of my upcoming videos. So, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.